What is the best way to make money online in 2019 with little to no money required? Stick with me and I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly just that. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, back at it again with another fire ass video and a fresh ass fade to go with it. But in this video, if this is your first time coming across your boy, I'm the light skinned, light bright, make money online guy. If you like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get right into the good stuff. But if you guys want to go ahead and fuck it, let's just step behind the laptop. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to go ahead and basically break down a quick 5-step process that you guys are going to be able to leverage to actually start making money on Google, right? And basically we're currently looking at it right now, and I know it looks crazy, but it'll make sense in a second if you stick with me to the end of this video. So we have problem, content, product, commission, rinse, and repeat. Now basically the way that you make money is by either selling a service or selling a product, right? In this instance, we're going to be selling a product, but specifically the type of products that we're going to be selling are ones that actually solve people's problems. Now, the cool thing is that you don't have to own your own product. You don't have to worry about creating a product or going through that process. There's actually people out there who have created products. They've basically taking care of all the tools and resources, and they're willing to give it to you. All you have to do is simply step behind it and promote it, and they'll actually give you a unique link, and I'm going to go to show you guys in a second, that will identify the transactions that are made through yourself, so that way when you do go ahead and actually generate a transaction, they'll go ahead and pay you a commission. That's simply called affiliate marketing. So basically with the problem, right, we want to go ahead and find a problem. Now what I would recommend is finding a problem within these 3 specific niches: health, wealth, and romance. Basically solving problems around people who are trying to lose weight or look a little bit more beautiful. That would be considered the health niche. Wealth, people are looking to actually make money. And last but not least, romance, people are trying to attract the opposite sex, right? So we're going to go ahead and identify one of those problems. We're going to go ahead and identify the type of people that we're trying to basically reach out to and solve their problems. And then the next step would actually be creating value-based content around that problem. So an example, right? This is actually an example, but this isn't what we're going to be covering within this video. But my target audience in this specific video is people who are trying to make money online, right? That's a problem. People want to make more money. So I'm actually creating value-based content, hence this video that you're literally watching right now. So basically with that being said, what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be creating blogging content, right? So the type of blogging content that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and create blogging content around specific keywords. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 3 different keywords, right? I'll show you what a keyword means in a second. But basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating blogs, right? You can create a WordPress blog. If you guys don't know what WordPress is, right? Go to wordpress.com or wordpress.org actually. And then, or you can even just go to Google and type in how to create a WordPress blog, right? Literally look that up on YouTube or look that on Google and figure out how to do it. I'm not going to be covering that. I'm simply going to be covering how you're actually going to go and leverage one of these blogs to make money, right? So what you're going to do is when people are trying to solve a problem, if I'm trying to lose weight, what am I going to go and type in? I'm going to type in how to lose weight, right? Let's just say in a week, how to lose weight in a week. So that is a keyword. This is a keyword, and basically based off of that keyword, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and basically have these keywords within your actual blog and your blog title, so that way you start to boost your visibility on Google when people search for that type of content. So another one is how to lose weight fast in 2 weeks. So what's going to happen is right? I want to go to one that's not like a big website. So 10 simple ways to lose 2 pounds a week. So that's an example, right? That's a blog, that's content. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how they're monetizing these in a second. Another one, so that's health, that's the health niche. Wealth, I'm going to type in how to, I'm actually going to go ahead and type in the keyword that's used in this YouTube video. So best ways to make money online. I'm going to do 2019. So that's considered a keyword, right? Best ways to make money online 2018 or 2019. And then we have 31 easy ways to make money fast in 2019. So I'll use, they're actually good. That's Dollar Sprout. So that would be an example of a blog. So this is a blog within the wealth niche. This is, I don't know what happened to this one. Which one? Oh, Very Fit. So I'm going to click that one. So here's another blog within the weight loss niche. And then I'm going to type in how to attract women. So how to attract women. And then we have Mark Manson. We have the art of charm, right? So how to attract women without talking. So this is basically a blog, right? So what these people are doing is they're creating a value-based content, right? They're creating value-based content. And by the way, these pop-ups, I'll explain what these pop-ups are in a second, but they're creating value-based content. Basically, they're literally writing an article teaching people, right, how to solve that problem. So I was a person who was simply trying to solve my weight loss issues, trying to solve my ability to actually attract the opposite sex, or even maybe how to make more money. And I'm trying to figure out solutions. I'm trying to figure out solutions to my problem, right? So basically over here, the content that you are providing is providing a solution. Now, not only that, because you're giving people the answers that they're looking for with this value-based content, what you're doing is you're building trust with these readers. And the reason why you're building trust is because you're giving them value, right? That's an instant way to actually build trust. Now, the question you're probably asking me, okay, get to the fucking point, Eric, how do I make money? So basically, that's where the product comes into a play. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to go and leverage those eyeballs that you've attracted from building value-based content, and you're going to go ahead and at that point put a product placement. And this product is going to be your affiliate product. So it's going to be a product that you did not create. You don't own it. You don't have to deal with the shipping, the handling, the fulfillment, the customer service. You don't have to deal with any of that. You simply have to get these eyeballs in front of this product. And when people make a purchase, you get paid a commission. Very simple, right? So with that being said, where do we find products, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and leverage something called ClickBank, right? So ClickBank, you go to clickbank.com, you log in or you create an account. Once you create an account, you're going to be able to go to something called the marketplace, right? Once you go to the marketplace, you're literally going to be able to shop different offers. So I'm going to go and show you guys some products that we could put within these blogs to start actually making money, right? So for example, health and fitness. If I went to health and fitness, I'm just going to literally go based off popularity. And here's an example, Flat Belly Fix. Let's see what this looks like. So the super simple morning habit accidentally melted 84 pounds of fat. So with that being said, what I could do is I could then press promote and I could generate a hop link. And basically this link is my unique affiliate link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, and then once I copy this link, I'm going to be able to put this link throughout my blog, right? So for example, let's just say at the end of their blog, I don't know if they have continue reading. So basically I don't see a link that they have. But one thing that they did earlier that I noticed is they had a pop-up, right? So on the pop-up, what they do is they capture emails to this blog. So that way they can actually start doing email marketing, which is basically sending emails. And obviously if somebody puts in their email who searched this blog, they're interested in losing weight. So not only did you build value with them instantly, but what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to send these links, right? Basically writing emails, sending to those people who actually decided to put their email in, who were interested in losing weight and solving that problem, sending them to this offer. Now, just to go back to this offer really quick, the average sale, you're making $38.18. So every sale, so imagine if you were to get just an extra 3 sales per day, it's over $100 a day in extra income. And the cool thing is, all you have to do is create one of these articles one time, and they'll rank for a long period of time. And what I mean by that is that if I go back really quick, we notice this article was created in November 9th, 2018. This person had to create this article one time. So they created it one time, and literally, if they were to go ahead and put affiliate links within this article, they're going to be able to generate passive income. They could be sleeping, and I could be trying to late night solve my weight loss issues on an article that they created 6 months ago. And I go ahead and click through their article. I click one of the affiliate links. I decide to buy the product, and they get paid a $38 commission, right? So here's another example. As far as if I was to go to another one of the niches, so if I was to go to make money online, what I would do is go to e-business and e-marketing. And I don't endorse, by the way, I do not endorse any of these products, but let's just say I was to go ahead and promote this one right here. By the way, there's thousands of offers on ClickBank. They pay 70% commissions. So if I go back, they pay $25. The average sale is $25, so you're going to be making about $20 a sell. So 5 sales a day from these blog articles that are literally generating passive traffic, like people, visitors going to your page and trying to solve those problems, trying to make money. You can literally sprinkle these links throughout your actual blog post. So what I would do is generate a hop link, right? I would get this link right here, and then I would go ahead and provide value. If you notice, guys, I don't know if this is real, but it says 882,000 people have looked at this article. So here's an example, right? What they're doing is 31 best ways to make money fast. So take paid surveys. So these are all affiliate links, right? So these links right here, create your account. These are affiliate links. So every time, swag bucks, every time you create an account with one of these things within this article, they get paid a commission, right? And remember, they had to create this article one time. Now, yes, it takes upfront work, but at the end of the day, would you rather go ahead and work 40 hours a week at a 9 to 5, or create something one time, maybe an hour or two, writing something up, and it literally generates money while you sleep, right? So they'll go ahead and put these affiliate links throughout the article. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead to back to the marketplace. I'm going to go to where are we? Self-help. Then I'm going to go to scroll down. I'm going to go to maybe dating guides. So Carlos, so women's dating and relationships, I don't even know what that is. The women men adore. So obviously I'm not going to go ahead and put this on. So the women men adore, these are basically women trying to attract women who are trying to attract men. So instead, for example, for this blog over here, right? How to attract women without talking. If I was to create an opposite article saying how to attract men without talking, right? I could create this article, and literally throughout my article, I could have little banner ads right here. I could have little ads on the side. If you notice, they're doing the same thing. So they're giving, it's called a lead magnet. It's basically something that you're giving away for free in exchange for the email. And then you can start sending emails later on. And these emails are going to go ahead and have this affiliate link in it, right? But if you notice here, this one pays up to $159. So, I mean, literally 1 sale per day. And again, you create this content one time, right? And what's going to happen is people are going to go ahead and actually go through your page, right? Whether they open it up in an email or whether they open it up on the actual page, right? What's going to happen is they're going to go ahead and actually click this link. So they're going to visit this link just to show you guys what it looks like. They're gonna click this link. Once they click this link, they're gonna watch this video. Once they watch this video, there's gonna be a button eventually. So here's a button, yes, order now. And then they'll go ahead and basically click this button, and then $47 or $97 per month. So not only that, you're also going to go ahead and get paid residual commission. So that's passive income. I mean, you get one sale one time, and then you're going to go ahead and start getting residual commissions. So if you notice, right, we found a problem. We created content, value-based content around that problem. We found a product that is congruent with the content we created and the solution that solves the problem that people are having. And then we get people, that traffic and those visitors, we redirect them to that product. They go to that page, they go through the sales process that we did not create. Those affiliate vendors created it, and we collect a commission. And what is the fifth step? Simply rinse and repeat. You create one blog, go through the process, create another one, go through the process, and then whatever, with your extra spare time, right, you create these blog articles around these specific problems. The number one thing, guys, to understand is you have to create it around these keywords. An example of a keyword is this one right here, how to create a WordPress blog. I guarantee you one of these articles is literally promoting the WordPress sign up as an affiliate, or Bluehost, which is basically an affiliate link to buy your domain name and your hosting, right? So there's so many ways that you guys can monetize this. That's why people create blogs. People don't create blogs just to be nice because they want to help people. There's two sides. They want to help people, and they also want to go ahead and monetize and make money off of the people who are visiting their websites. So with that being said, that is the 5 easy steps on, I believe, one of the best ways to make money online in 2019. Alright guys, so that is a little taste of affiliate marketing and how you guys can actually generate an income with affiliate marketing. Literally promoting other people's products who you don't have to own, right? And I mean, it's crazy, right? This is how I'm able to live in this freaking beautiful freaking penthouse in Miami, Florida, because I execute on that exact strategy. Now I'm actually taking on 3 students, doing one-on-one mentorship, teaching them how to go from 0 to 6 figures in 2019, so that way they can build their dream life. Look, I'm waking up, it's freaking 9 something. I don't have to work a 9 to 5 because I built this dream life, right? How awesome would that be if you could do the same thing, to where you're not waking up stressed out, tired? I'm excited, it's Monday, I'm freaking excited today, right? Who can say that, right? No more alarm clocks, living life on your own terms, being your own boss is freaking amazing, right? So if you guys want to go ahead and apply, there's going to be the first link in the description, or is there going to be a button down below to where you guys can actually apply. And I'm not taking on everybody, so don't take it personal if I don't bring you on board. But listen, I'm telling you, this is going to be life changing. Hopefully you're going to be that person. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, Eric Ellis checking out.